Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will show you how to clean your air fryer. So the first thing is make sure you unplug the air fryer before cleaning it. And cleaning the air fryer is super easy. So this is a regular air fryer with a basket. So see, it's dirty and I'm going to show how to wash it. So basically there's an inner basket and an outer basket. So every time after I cook, I take it apart like this. So it was super simple. So again, to take out the basket, there should be a switch and a button to separate them. And all I do is just wash it in a sink. Same way as you wash a non-stick pan. This is a non-stick coating, so don't use the abrasive side of the sponge. Use the non-abrasive side and just wash it with a dish soap. Here's my dish soap. I'll put some on a sponge. So just wash it until all the dirt comes off. And I'll wash the other side as well. And same thing with the other basket. So just wash it the same way as a non-stick pan. A non-abrasive sponge and dish soap, not to scratch the non-stick coating. Now washing the outside is not really needed because food never gets to it. That's what sits directly on your counter. So once it's clean, all you need to do is just towel dry it. So obviously this time my air fryer, it wasn't super dirty, that's why it was so quick to wash it. If it has stuck on dirt, I do recommend just filling the basket with hot water and dish soap and just let it soak. And after it soaks for about 30 minutes to an hour, then the stuck on dirt should come off. So now the air fryer is perfectly clean. So you just put the inner basket back in the outer basket and put the basket in the air fryer. And now it's ready to cook a new recipe. So if you're wondering how to clean your air fryer, this is how. Super easy. And if the air fryer, sometimes it does say that it's dishwasher safe, but I don't trust it because this non-stick coating, it does come off in a dishwasher quicker than if you wash it by hand. So I do recommend washing it by hand. It doesn't really take long, and it keeps your air fryer working and longer, so the basket coating doesn't peel off. So this is pretty much it. This is how to clean your air fryer. And to find lots of easy air fryer recipes, I have hundreds of them. Please go to my website, melaniecooks.com, and check out my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.